Guys, what is going on? It's Joe with Odyssey Off-Road. Got the Gladiator Mojave behind me, and we got a nice phone mount we're going to install today from Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. Awesome quality product. I had it in my last Jeep, so I just needed the base actually. So I'll show you what I got here that I ordered from them and what I had and what we're going to install. We'll get it installed. Super easy process. It takes a minute, but I can show you guys the product. Really good stuff. So here we got it. The phone mount. Now I had the phone mount already from my last Gladiator Mojave. You can order it with different length arms. You go on their website, you can order either this whole kit, which is what I did last time. And when I traded in the Jeep last time, I didn't take this piece out. I just took this part out quick. It goes in super easy. So I ordered the base this time, and it came in this box. Also came with a Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions, haha. And it's like a bottle opener. Pretty neat. Definitely pretty cool. Also in the box was a Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions keychain. So shout out to them for sending the extra goods in the box with the base plate. Full disclosure, I paid for this. They didn't send me this for free. I did pay for it. So my opinions here are based on, the monies I shelled out for the mod on the truck. And like I said, I had it in the last Jeep. I loved it. It's super quality product. So I had zero hesitation about installing this unit again in the new one, and just needed the base. So it came in today. We're going to get it installed, take you in the Jeep, show you what we got to do. All right, so that little base plate's going to sit right here. In order to put it there, we got to take out this rubber insert. So we'll get my sunglasses out of the way, and we'll just pop that out. Nicey nice. And that is it. That's out. You'll see inside there's a screw. We're going to get that screw out. And I don't know if you noticed, but they even give you a screwdriver to use. So with the mounting plate, where that little screw is in there, it's going to go right that way there. It's going to sit in that angle where the angle of the screw goes in. You got some double-sided tape on the back. So we'll get a little alcohol, prep that area, clean it off nice. Take the screw out, get this adhesive tape off. You got it stuck down, put the screw in. That's pretty much it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to trim the rubber pad that's up there so it fits in the rest of the compartment with this still being on the left side there. All right, so I got the area prepped with alcohol. And you'll see the screws out. Got the paper off the back of the tape. And we're going to just get that thing down. Nice. We'll set it softly until we line the screw up. Make sure the screw's lined up, and then give it a push down. Get the screw started by hand. All right. There we go. And I just use the little screwdriver they gave you in the kit. We'll give it a firm press. Make sure the tape is sticking, which it will be just from the fact that you screwed it down, but make sure it's not going nowhere. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get this rubber piece now, just to keep it factory up there. We're going to get the rubber piece trimmed right about where it would come up. So we'll start with trimming it back here, right at the bend, and then we'll go from there. Rather than taking off too much, you can always trim more. You can't add it back, so let's get this trimmed. All right, so I got it trimmed up, and you'll see I just took it down right to the bottom, where the bottom starts coming up there on the other side, and that'll sit nice and flush, and you'll never even know. Looks factory. So let's get this stuck in there. This kind of just wedges in there. It's got little nipples on the bottom that'll stick in the holes there. Work your way from one side typically, and get that corner in, and that is it. All right, looks factory. See, nice and nice. You can still put some stuff up here, so you're not taking up the whole thing. Now they also have options. So you check out their website, bulletpointmountingsolutions.com, and they have where you can put multiple arms up here, so it'll go from all the way across, or they have like a dual ball set up here on the one side, where you can put one on like this on one side, one on the other, and still have, you know, use of the middle, which is nice. That's another option too. So let's get the arm put on. I'll show you how nice it holds the phone. All right, guys, got the arm on there. Got an extra phone laying around the house, my little guy's phone. It's like one of our old phones that he plays with. So I got that in there to kind of show you how it goes. And again, there's endless adjustability. You can move the arm however you want it, adjust it however you want it. It holds the phone really tight and secure. Like, you're not getting it out of there. It's not going to fall out of there. It works basically on a slide mechanism. So spring loaded. There's like a slide. Like that, you see. I open it up with my hands. And it's all rubber grip in here too. The lighting's not the best, but yeah, it's all rubber grip. Rubber grip on the back too. So you're not going to scratch your phone either or ruin your case. It's awesome. I worked out great when I had the last one. Main reason really for it is, I know everything's Bluetooth now and you work everything through your stereo and all that stuff, but it's still sometimes nice having the phone right there. The main reason I do it is to free up space in center console. Obviously, there's not a lot of space to stick things in the Jeep and the Gladiator. So you have your two cup holders, and then you have a little spot right here which you can kind of stick a phone. But this is nice. You can put your phone here. I throw my wallet up here sometimes if I'm just going somewhere quick, or, you know, in the center console. But you usually want to have your phone at least accessible to you, and leaving it down there, it's just, there's no real place to put it. So you have room for your drink still, and you still have a little bit of room right there, you know, and leave your phone up there, have that in front of you. It's nice. You could also, if you're off-roading and you want to use specific navigation and not have it go through your stereo, you can do that too. And so you have your phone right in front of you. You can use it for that purposes. I've seen plenty of people do it that way. So whatever your reason is, my reason is really just to get the clutter out of the center console and have a place to stick my phone, have a nice phone mount. So it's awesome. Like I said, they got a variety of options, different colors. I obviously got orange, just kind of go along with the theme of the Mojave, with the orange and the orange stitching and all that stuff, and the orange bezels and all the orange accents. So, you know, if you have a Rubicon, you want to get a red one, I believe they sell it in red, and a bunch of other colors too. So check it out. There's the name, Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. Check out their website. I'll leave a link in the video description here below. So this is Joe at Odyssey Off-Road, guys. Thanks for tuning into the video. We'll see you guys on another one.